So today I will be showing y'all how to get this Andrea, it's called Andrea Hair Zany. I got it from Amazon for about, I think it was like 20 bucks. I'm gonna link it down below if anything, if there's a difference in price, but I don't think it was more than 20 bucks to be honest. If you want to see this wig, please keep on watching. I'm starting off with the wig, all right? This is a headband wig, in case y'all don't know. It is by far like a lifesaver a lot of the time. This is the hair and the packaging it comes in. And voila. Comes with a set of lashes, which I'm never gonna wear, as you can see here. Never gonna wear it. All right, so already I'm like, what the freak? Because I definitely ordered red. This is not red, this is like pink. Like, I don't know, but we gonna make it work or we gonna try. All right, so I'm gonna grab my mannequin hair. Looking at the construction of the wig, it looks like it's just a one-part situation. I could feel the texture of this lace, and I already know. I don't know, but I'm gonna make it work, y'all. It has its baby hairs, as you can see. It has its own little baby hairs, which is good. That helps a lot. It doesn't look, oh my gosh, it looks pretty dense. And the lace itself is actually poking me. So I'm gonna try it on just to kind of get a feel, Lord. I already have a big head, so I really don't know how this is gonna be. Oh, heck no. Oh, no, 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 no.
No. No, 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 no.
Yeah, this is a no. I don't know, what is this? Amazon? Oh, man. Try to bring it to the front of my hair. Oh my gosh. This is insane. It won't even go past my forehead. This is definitely not big head friendly. I mean, my hair is not really flat, so I guess already, if knowing that this is not big head friendly, I would say, like, make sure your hair is braided down flat. It's giving me, I don't know what it's giving me, but it's giving me something. How am I gonna pull this off? And it hurts, the lace, it hurts so bad. I'm really upset at Amazon because this was not what I signed up for. Like, I feel like my name is Lola or something. I don't know what this is, Halloween hair. I don't know what you wanna be for Halloween wearing this, but I feel like the layers are beautiful. I could, you know, the layers are nice. They're just too much. They're not me. You know? She's gonna be a side part automatically. Like, she's giving me a bob kind of look, but I feel like they cut too many layers. Like, they went too far. All right, now that I've plucked it and everything, we're gonna try this again, child. Okay. It does have two attachments on the back and one on the front. It low-key could work like a glueless wig, to be honest. Low-key can. My part is kind of like zigzaggy, so we're gonna fix that. Now the parting space is not that bad, given the fact. I'm really trying to love this wig, but it's really not happening. Like, I'm really trying to love this wig, but it's not. If she was just a little bit longer and they actually held their end of the deal, it would be a nice wig. Okay. Something here. This ain't it, honey. Yeah, this is it. Let me just give you guys a 360 of the why I don't like this hair. And look, my bum probably bulging in the back. Apologize that this is not what it was all out to be. But yeah, this ain't it, y'all. This ain't it. I look like a judge, like. I don't know what I look like. Put in the comments what you think I look like, because this ain't it, honey. I'm sorry, but Amazon, you played me. You played me, Amazon. You played me. Don't do that. Don't do that again. I'm going outside because of you, Amazon. You told me that this was a bob wig, Amazon. This is not what it looked like in the picture, Amazon. This is not it, Amazon. This is not the bob I saw, Amazon. This ain't it. Get on with this wig. But thank you guys all for watching, even though it was a fail. Thank you so much for watching, y'all, and please stay tuned for the next one.